One of the best refrigerators can keep your food fresher for longer. What separates a good refrigerator from a great one is consistency and accuracy in maintaining temperature. Whether you open the door to browse or load your weekly groceries, the temperature should be consistent and accurate. Additionally, the temperature should be even throughout the entire cavity, so both your vegetables in the lower drawers and your eggs in the door stay appropriately chilled. Energy consumption should also be efficient. Paying attention to the Energy Star logo can help determine the energy efficiency of your refrigerator. Additionally, you should consider extra features. Some refrigerators come with smart connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor the appliance from your phone and integrate it into your smart home system. To help you find the right model, we have listed the top 6 refrigerators and their key features, as well as the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. 6. Frigidaire 13.9 Cubic Foot Top Freezer, FFHT 1425. V Refrigerator. Frigidaire's 13.9 Cubic Foot Top Freezer, FFHT 1425V refrigerator is the only model in our ranking that costs less than $1,000. Although it has a relatively budget-friendly price tag, it has a smaller capacity and lacks many of the high-tech elements offered by competitors. It is available in 3 finishes: black, white, or brushed steel. Those who want easy access to the freezer section may prefer its eye-level top freezer layout. While the freezer doesn't come with a built-in ice maker, you can install one from Frigidaire, sold separately. Storage options in the fridge include 2 gallon-sized door bins, a single humidity-controlled crisper drawer, a half-width deli drawer, and 2 adjustable glass shelves. The Frigidaire FFHT 1425V might appeal to shoppers who want to save money on utility bills with its smaller size and relatively basic design. It is the most energy-efficient option in our ranking, consuming 332 kWh per year with an estimated annual electricity cost of $40. 5. Maytag Wide French Door Refrigerator. Maytag offers reliable performance. Reviewers have commented positively on the temperature control of this refrigerator. It maintains a cool, constant temperature throughout, including the door shelves. This is very useful for those who want to store dairy products in the refrigerator doors without worrying about warmer temperatures. The deli drawer is well designed to store wide plates and trays without awkward positioning. With a reasonable fridge and freezer capacity, it provides more than enough room for all your groceries. Some users thought that the refrigerator would benefit from adjustable sections, but did not find this limiting. The digital interface is very useful when it works, but some users found it a bit tricky to use. Nonetheless, it looks good with the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel finish. Yes, friends, we have completed a comprehensive summary of the best refrigerators on the market right now. Whether you are looking for a budget-friendly option, a tech-savvy smart refrigerator, or a stylish piece that matches your kitchen decor, there is definitely an option designed specifically for you. The heart of the kitchen deserves the best, and with the options we've provided, you are ready to make a choice that combines both functionality and aesthetics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. For more insights, reviews, and tips, see you again. Stay cool and fresh.